Now we are going to learn about Angular life cycle hooks. Uh, when Angular app is running, it scans all the nodes in the document object model. That means if it's a HTML, from the HTML tag to head tag, body tag, and all the tags uh, inside the HTML tag. So it's going like a life cycle. So uh, 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 so uh, each life cycle uh, in each life cycle stage there's a specific method called hooks. Using those hooks we can add uh, uh, a new functionality or feature or change existing functionality. Eh, This happen from the creation to uh, deletion of the uh, uh, creation start to end of the app. Here you can see the document object model is a tree structure model. You can see different nodes. Um, when uh, when we run the Angular app, it will going through all the nodes of this document object model, whether yeah, if there's any change or not. And now we are going to learn about what are the major life cycle hooks in Angular. First one is constructor. Second one is ng on change. Third one ng on init. Uh, Fourth one ng do check. Fifth one ng after content init. And after that ng after content check, ng after view init, ng after view check, ng on destroy. We will go one by one in uh, uh, next slide. First one is constructor. Actually, constructor means here when we create a TypeScript class, uh, this constructor method will automatically execute. Uh, it will create the instance of the TypeScript class, and uh, we can use the CTOR snippet to create the constructor. And using this constructor, we can initialize the data, or we can inject external dependencies or services. Here you can see how uh, I'm going to create the constructor. I use a CTOR command, and we can remove the super method here, and then I am going to initialize student list in the constructor. Will Here you can see uh, how I am going to initialize a student list in the constructor. First we create the student list and initialize in the constructor. We can use this keyword because there is a uh, 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 instance. Now there's no error you can see, and we can proceed to next slide. Here we are going to remove everything in earlier one, and we comment it. In that case we can use control A for select all, and control KC for comment all. Control key first, K and C for comment all. It's recommended to use a shortcut because it will uh, uh, it will speed up your programming, as well as um, uh, 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 it will reduce your effort. Here we check we add a debugger to the constructor, and we check how that is constructor lifecycle hook constructor method working. Here you can right click on this uh, uh, yeah, you can right click on the this web page, and then click on inspect. Then you can go to this uh, yeah, you can go to this inspect window, and here you can here it will stop in the debug, and you can see you can see it will stop in the constructor uh, uh, constructor hook. Using the debuggers, we can debug React or any JavaScript application, and we can see the intermediate values, and we can track uh, we can track the bug, and we can fix those bugs. But sometimes uh, having too many debugger points, it will get problem to your uh, application, because because the program will hit on the debugger, and so uh, so it's we should remove unnecessary debugging point, uh, and instead of we can use console log. In that case we can use a log keyword for log snippet for console logs. Here you can see how we apply console log instead of debuggers. Using that we can see uh, 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 we can see all the data in the student list, like debugger points. We can see all the intermediate values, and we can track any errors, and we can fix it.